Enjin Coin. Currently trading, guys, about $1.50 right now at a $1.2 billion market cap. Its ticker is ENJ, ranked number 65 on the list. But before trading, getting part of this platform, or hodling, what is it, guys? So Enjin Coin is a project of Enjin, a company that provides an ecosystem interconnect blockchain-based gaming products. Enjin's flagship offering is Enjin Network, a social gaming platform through which users can create websites and clans and chats, hosts and virtual items and stores, like NFTs and stuff like that, guys. But let's see where you guys can find this on the platforms, different markets, right? So it's on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, BitThumb, Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Gemini, Bittrex. So there are a lot of platforms, guys. You know, the top 100 cryptocurrencies, pretty much on all of them. But let's check out the price rating, guys. So symmetry, they got to be really, really good, and stable outlook, a double B. Look at the top, is in the top 89% of cryptocurrencies. That is absolutely amazing. I like cryptocurrencies that do have companies that review them have a price rating. This gives more confidence. It's not a meme token. It's not something that's kind of hidden. It had something real. It was actually looked at on September 17th, 2021. And this one is, let me see. I don't know exactly for this one, but basically it was reviewed in the last few months. Let's check out the news, guys. So news for this, they have a price analysis on Coinbase. If my price analysis is not good enough for you, you guys check it on here. I just want to show you guys some updated news. This is 5 days ago. Enjin Coin makes fourth breakaway attempts on above resistance, another price thing. So let's check out their website, guys. So this is if you want to get NFTs, NFTs can earn and trade. Get your first NFT, scan the Enjin wallet. If you guys want that, check that out, guys. Me personally, I haven't checked it out. I just like to research about cryptocurrencies. I made multiple videos about this cryptocurrency already. But if you want to get part of the NFTs, here, check this out, guys. Go to the website, enjin.io, or download their app from the App Store. But let's check out their Twitter page, guys. 480,000 followers. Get their updated news on here. And what else? Basically, if you guys want to, I like to read the comments that people say, like questions about what's happening. Just give me more insight. I'm actually going to get a part of cryptocurrency. But that's me, guys. Let's check me out on Twitter. Also, Enjin Mcclendon, talk a lot of political stuff, a lot of trading stuff. I don't do so much on my YouTube channel for political stuff, but check me out there. Follow me on there. But let's get to, guys, price prediction. So, like other cryptos, Enjin Coin is down pretty harsh. And this might not slow down until the 1.2 level. So that's where I'm going to start it off, guys. This is where I see the next big buying zone, or the next big, basically the next big amount of money will be kicking in. We're talking about basically the $1.20, and this is where I see it heading down first. Now, what I want to do is this: I don't want to put a buy limit right there, because it might shoot down and head down a little bit lower. There is a lot of down pressure, a lot of people shorting it or closing their positions. Okay, so for me, first thing off the bat, I'm gonna do a price alert at $1.20. No live entries, $1.20. I want to see if it bounces up higher and builds up some more candles and builds up more resistance and more buying zones, so head up higher. Because if it does that, then there's more confidence. There's much more confidence for me to enter than and put a live position in than more multiple price alerts. So my first price alert will be at 120. I'm gonna wait till it builds up structure. My price target would be here, if that's done. So this zone right here. So we're talking about basically from about the 210 level. So that's would be my price rating, $2.10. That's where I see the biggest marker back down. If it hits this resistance level up here, this zone has multiple points. So to me, that's where I see it can easily go to. And I like easy price targets. I don't like saying all the way up here at $3. You know, for me, I want to make sure it holds this zone first, the $1.20, before heading up higher. So if it does that, I can either do a market entry or a buy stop to get into the trend. And if it gets me into the trend, to say it stabilizes at the $1.40 zone, and I get into about that price level, price zone right there, then what I can do is this. If it goes up higher to the $1.20, I'm sorry, $1.40, $1.50, $1.60, $1.70, what I'm gonna do is have my entry, move my stop loss, lock in the trade. So if it does reverse on me to head down lower, yeah, my price prediction didn't hit, but I took a profit on the trade, and I can just keep on doing that and taking small profits, and then if it does hit the was it $1.10, $2.10, then I can be able to have that trade locked in and have my stop loss and let the rest run. Because basically, I want to take my initial capital out and put into another cryptocurrency, or just run from trade from profit of this trade to the profit of the trade, and have basically my it would be a risk-free trade from there. So that's my price analysis, guys. That's my price prediction, $2.10. If any questions or comments how I came down to that, just let me know. We can have the discussion in the comments below. But let's head to my website, guys. So EnjinCoin.com. If you guys want free stock, cryptocurrency, or Forex account, just let me know. Or just click the link, and we both get a kickback on that. Also, if you guys want to have some indicators from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, here's indicators that I back tested. That I don't always use a lot of these indicators. I create my own indicators, and off the ones that I've used, kind of like a basic template that I build off of it. If you want to learn more about that, custom indicators or EA or Trading Bot, let me know, and we can have a discussion. But please, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.